Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to be playing Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction, so let's get straight to the video and I hope you enjoy. So guys, getting into the game. I know I said to you a few days ago that I wasn't going to make another big series, but I completely forgot we had this game, and holy crap, I forgot how much I like this game. I've completed the game, I can't remember how to play it all properly, but I'm going to start new. And the reason I've not skipped the tutorial or whatever it's called is because there's quite a bit of talking. So I'm going to start a new game. And I'm just going to overwrite this because then it's only one save file. So we could be waiting here forever. I know it's done now. So we get to see what's going to go on. And you can see me, guys, so hi. That's a new way of doing a two-faced camera.
Launch the mag grappler onto that headway overpass and slingshot right up to Ratchet. The thrusters are fine, Clank. See? Don't worry, it's probably just a fused ion duct. Incoming message from Captain Quark.
Ratchet? Clank? I've got a bit of a situation here at the Planetary Defense Center. Nothing I can't handle, mind you. Just a few thousand heavily armed robotic commandos, but I figured, hey, if you were in the neighborhood, maybe... I had something to hide.
Heavily armed robotic commandos. When aren't they heavily armed? Are you sure this is functioning properly? You worry too much. Planetary Defense Center, here we go. Clank, hit the auxiliary thruster! You alright? Watch out. Where are you going? It's a shortcut. Trust me. Ratchet, look out. See? What did I...
Idiots.
Well, looks like we're going on foot. At least I can try out my new nav unit.
Sorry guys if you can hear me sniffling in the background, I got a runny nose. But I'm not going to talk through all the cutscenes because there's quite a bit, like, of talking, so...
Welcome back, customer 91802. If you're looking to combat a massive, deadly space armada, the Gadgetron Help Desk will be happy to assist.
Cool. Yeah, just familiarising myself with all the... Wait, is that how you aim? That's sick. I completely forgot about that. I didn't even know you could aim on this game. So squares your bloody thingy, yeah. These guys are a bastard. I'm telling you. What was ever shoot that? Nothing. I don't know what that is. Is that like ammo? I think so. Guys, I swear I've played this game before. I haven't played it in ages, so I can't remember all the controls. So this video is about me getting used to the game again. It's not even reach. That sucks. I can remember playing this on PSP. Bloody hell. That was ages ago. Meow. I think the videos, guys, are going to be, I don't know, around about 10 to 15 minutes each time long. Including all the cuts and everything because, like I said, my phone's not got that much memory. And it won't let me do any video, it won't let me edit any videos above like 15 minutes. Because then I've got no space on my phone, but I'm gonna try to get as much as I can in one video because I know series you prefer to be you lot would prefer it to be a little bit longer, as like it gets more in one video, obviously. So you need to die. Yeah. Wait, fuck off. Ah! I thought I was gonna get shocked to death. Yeah. Right. Also, guys, tell me if you want to see any particular game on my channel, like a series or just a one-off video now and then. Like GTA is going to be a one-off video. Like I said, I'm not going to do that as a series because there's too much to do. And like I said, I didn't really like it. How do I? Oh, you press X. Can I control this? Whoa, no, I can't.
You can access the quick select menu by holding down the action button. Use the left stick to select your weapon.
Whoa. Oh, my favourite weapon. I can remember what that is now. It's that electrical whip. Not because it's a whip, guys. Don't start anything in the comments or tweet me like you like whips and shit like that. Just because it looks cool and it does so much damage. Look at it. This thing's insane. Completely forgot about this. Look. Boom. Gone. Whee! Flying. Yeah. Have a bomb. You have a bomb. Haha. Bitch. Yeah. Constant ammo. Oh no. This is one thing I hate about this. Some of these get so difficult. It's unreal. Like, jump. Can I jump on this? No. Jump. Like, the background in this makes me completely forget what I'm doing. Like, I'm too busy looking at the background and I die. Oh, I know I didn't make that one. Yeah. It makes the noises I make. This guy needs to go. So does that guy. What the fuck are they? Nothing anymore, apparently, guys. I killed it. These guys, I hate these guys. They're such fucking assholes. No, fuck off, bitch. No, I didn't mean to jump. Ah, oh, fuck. I was going to go collect other stuff. Whoa, I do not want to be that guy. Oh, my God. Oh, thank fuck. I would have been screwed. Because I don't have any weapons. What the fuck? There's two of them. That's not fair. Oh. Okay. Clap. I don't give a shit. I killed the bastard. I swear I saw some guy. Wait, where am I meant to go? Guys, I'm confused. No, I'm not. I remember now. Run! Ah, fuck off. I ain't got time for this.
The sky bridge is collapsing.
I know. Ha! He shot the other guy. What a prick. I jumped over him. Get wrecked. I don't need to kill him. Fuck them guys. There's so many of these little dudes. I prefer... Go back into that other camera view. That was easier. It'll probably look better as well for you guys. As it'd be left... Whoa, less blurry. Come on!
Nanotech acquired. The more nanotech you have, the more damage you can take.
Ah! Really don't like this. It's getting fairly hard. Come on! Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I just want to finish this section in this video. Why is it spazzing out? Wait, can I can grind up. Whoa. Destructive, but no. 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 Which one are you coming along on? Oh, shit. Ah! I go on the middle one. I'm safe. I prefer to. Fucking hell! I wasn't watching. I was watching the camera, guys. Holy shit! Wait, which? Super kill. I ain't spending no time there. Goodbye, bitch. Oh shit! No. I can remember this bit. Bye! He fell off the roof. What a prick. Let's go. I don't like them guys. That guy that just jumped. Fuck that guy.
Ratchet, the Planetary Defense Center is 200 cubits below us. How do you propose we get down? I don't know. I'm kind of winging it right now.
What the fuck? Oh yeah, I can double jump. It's so good. Ow! Bitch, get off me. Whoa! I know. Wait. Oh, I forgot you could do that. I ain't got time for this. I'm just gonna shoot you. So I'm only on 2 health now. Because I suck at the game. I'm shit at the game. Wait, what? Oh no. I completely forgot about this bit. I gotta use my controller, like tilt it, and it's not very sensitive. Look, I'm doing all this and it's not even moving me. Did I do the first go? No way. I swear when I got the game it took me forever.
Looks pretty quiet. Where's Quark?
Greetings, citizen. I'm away from my post at the Planetary Defense Center. Please enter the number that best describes your emergency. If you are being attacked by radioactive amoeboids, please press 1. If you've been ingested by a mutant space eel, please press 2. If your city is being attacked by a massive deadly space armada, please press 3.
I believe you may be their intended target. You think?
So guys, I think I'm going to leave that video here, and thank you. So guys, thank you for watching that. I know I said I wouldn't start another big series, but I completely forgot we had that game, and I really like that game. But I don't really have much to say in this video, except for I'll have another video explaining what happened in my interview and how well it went. But anyway guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please feel free to hit that like button and subscribe, as it really helps me out. But if you didn't like it, dislike it, tell me why. But anyway guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.